back to another video. I'm so happy that you're returning, or if you're new here, then welcome. My name's Naomi and I'm so happy to meet you. Just before we get into the video, I would just like to make you aware I do have a top on. It is just the angle of the video and the camera, it's not the best, but I'm working with natural lighting, so we're just gonna have to go with it. And yeah, so for today's video we are going to be doing a glossy box unboxing. This is the first time that I have received a glossy box. I signed up to it last month in March, so I got it in April, but me and Matt went away for the weekend and you know we've both been working, so I'm just getting around to filming it. But this is the box that it comes in. I think there is like either a fruity version of this or a floral. So obviously I've got sent the floral, and the reason there's two I think is because when you sign up to Glossy Box you fill out like information about like what skincare you've got, what type of skin you have, like oily, dry, that type of thing. So obviously all the data that I've put into that, they have obviously sent me this because they think that it would best suit me and my skin type. So yeah, we're just gonna do a little unboxing of this today, and I really hope you enjoy it. So once you have took the little lid off, oh, it's really cute. It's got like little ribbon and stuff, so we'll undo this, and then it's got my May sneak peek, so it gives you some little bits about what's coming in the next month's glossy box, and it just lets you know like what's inside it. So this is what is inside my glossy box. So it's got like a really pretty packaging. I'm loving the box. I'm probably going to keep the box, and probably fill it with like giveaways and stuff for you guys. So if you get this box, then it's just me being a tight ass because the box is lovely. Or I might put like jewellery and stuff in it. I don't have a lot of jewellery, but I might start collecting some, and I just want something to put inside the box because it's really pretty, and it'd look nice in my bedroom. So I've opened this up and there is a lot of things in there, so I'm just gonna pick stuff at random, show you them, and yeah. So the first thing is the multi-purpose soothing balm with natural pore, for lips, cheeks and cosmetic finish with a hint of tint, fragrance free, cruelty free and vegan. So this is the hot pink balm. So this is basically a tinted balm which hydrates and adds colour to lips and cheeks, and this is in the 25ml. What else have we got? We have got the Natural Fusions Chia Seed and Argan Oil Hair Mask, deeply repairs and boosts hydration, and this says it has got no sulfates, no mineral oil and no gluten in there. So this is what this looks like. So to apply it, it just says you apply to clean, wet hair, work product through the hair from root to tips, allow 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing, can be used as an overnight mask treatment. So I'm really looking forward to giving this a go. So the next little item is the little perfume, and this packaging is absolutely gorgeous. It's so pretty, and it matches like the box. So this just says let your dreams blossom, and it is the 30ml bottle, and I'll give it a smell. That smells really nice actually, although it's like in the floral like packaging and stuff, it does still taste quite fruity to me, so I really like that. I really like fruity perfume, so this is definitely up my street. The next little product is the Hydrating Water Infusion Raspberry and Rosewater Shower Gel, and this looks absolutely incredible. We've actually just run out of shower gel, so this will come in really handy. It's the 250ml bottle, and it says it is the 3 times moisturisers, vitamin and antioxidant blend. And again, the packaging is absolutely amazing on this. Next, we have got the Foaming Facial Cleanser, which just looks like this. This is a 125ml bottle, and it says, our Foaming Facial Cleanser is a non-drying, gentle gel cleanser for normal to oily skin types. Makeup, daily dirt build-up and excessive oils are removed to reveal a balanced, cleansed complexion. So, this, I'm really looking forward to it. Again, like I say, I've run out of a lot of products, so I'm really looking forward to give this a go. And I'll probably do like a review type over on Instagram. I'll let you know what I think of it. So if you're not following me on Instagram, make sure you are. All of the links and stuff are in the comments below. And last but not least, we have got the Pomegranate Superfood Regenerating Sleeping Mask, and this is just one of the mini ones. So this is the 30ml, and this says use 2 to 3 times a week. Apply a thin layer onto clean, dry skin in the evening. Allow the mask to sink into the skin and leave overnight. So this is like a night cream. So I'm really looking forward to giving this a go. I'm going to give it a quick smell, see what it smells like. Doesn't actually smell of anything. Bit disappointed with that. I thought it was going to smell maybe like strawberries or something. I'm not sure, just with it being like pink, but it doesn't really have a scent to it. But yeah, so that is what I got sent. I got sent 6 little products in this amazing little box. And yeah, I'm really looking forward to keep getting the glossy boxes. You get them once a month, and I'm thinking of like starting it on my channel where I just show you what you get in each glossy box once a month. If you would like to see that, then let me know in the comments below. If you wouldn't like to see it, then also let me know in the comments below, because I only want to produce content that you want to see. So if it's not something that you're interested in, just let me know in the comments, obviously in a nice way. Don't be mean. We don't do no mean on my channel. So yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Ta-ra!